Hello guys, in today's video I want to show you how to read deleted message. For example, someone has sent me message and immediately after the sending he has deleted it. So right now guys, I want to show you how to read that message who sent you but he deleted back it. So let's to begin. So I want to show you this technique without any other app or any other application that you have to install extra without the WhatsApp. You can do on your own phone. So for this guys, you should look at that Saidullah send me some message but he deleted again. So for this I must get out from the WhatsApp. When you get out, so you should click here on the setting. There is the phone setting, you should click on it, then you have to go down. So look at here is the notification. You should click on the notification, and after the notification you should go there, look at that advanced setting. You should click advanced setting, and after the setting you should go notification history, and after the history look at that who send you a message and then he deleted. So which WhatsApp do you have? So look at that, the WhatsApp like here business WhatsApp or maybe simple WhatsApp do you have, but just you should click on it, then you can read which message is deleted. You can find here. Thank you for from watching.